Welcome back. Today, we bring you a remarkable story that brought together some of the most influential personalities in Nigeria under one roof. It was a gathering of political leaders, traditional rulers, business moguls, and respected elder statesmen. But more importantly, it was a celebration of a man whose life has become a symbol of leadership, wisdom, peace, and service. The Obi of Onitsha, Igwe Nnaemeka Achibe, celebrated his 85th birthday in grand style at the prestigious Deborah Hotel in Victoria Island, Lagos. The monarch, who also served as the chairman of the hotel's board, was honored by an impressive list of guests that included Lagos State Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu, former President Olusegun Obasanjo, NDC presidential candidate Peter Obi, Senator Florence Itegiwa, prominent business leaders, traditional rulers, and many other distinguished Nigerians. From the moment guests began arriving, it was clear that this was not just another birthday celebration. It was a recognition of a lifetime of service and leadership. The venue came alive with colorful cultural displays, traditional music, and performances that reflected the rich cultural heritage of the Onitsha Kingdom and Nigeria as a whole. One of the moments that attracted significant attention was the presence of former President Olusegun Obasanjo. Speaking during the event, Obasanjo reflected on his long-standing friendship with the Obi of Onitsha. His remarks were filled with admiration and respect. According to the former president, one of the qualities that has always stood out about the monarch is his ability to promote peace and bring people together. Obasanjo described him as a bridge builder, a man whose influence transcends regional, ethnic, and political boundaries. The former president noted that wherever he travels across Nigeria, traditional rulers from the north, south, east, and west consistently speak highly of the Obi of Onitsha. Such praise from a former Nigerian leader underscores the enormous respect the monarch commands throughout the country. Another figure who attracted attention at the event was Peter Obi. The NDC presidential candidate spoke warmly about the Obi of Onitsha, describing him as a father figure and someone whose guidance has influenced many lives over the years. Peter Obi revealed that he adjusted his schedule and left another important engagement in order to attend the celebration. According to him, honoring the Obi of Onitsha was not something he could overlook. During his remarks, Obi offered prayers for the monarch, wishing him continued good health, wisdom, strength, and many more years of impactful leadership. Many observers saw the interaction between Peter Obi and former President Obasanjo as one of the most highlights of the events. Videos and photographs showing the two leaders together quickly spread across social media platforms, generating conversations among supporters and political observers. Although the event was primarily a birthday celebration, some Nigerians online could not help but discuss the significance of seeing major national figures gathered together in a relaxed and celebratory atmosphere. Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu's presence also demonstrated the broad appeal and influence of the Obi of Onitsha. As governor of Nigeria's commercial capital, his attendance reflected the respect the traditional ruler commands beyond his immediate kingdom. The gathering itself was a powerful reminder of the role traditional institutions continue to play in modern Nigeria. In an era dominated by politics, technology, and rapid social change, traditional rulers remain important custodians of culture, identity, and community values. Many continue to serve as mediators, advisors, and advocates for peace and development. For decades, the Obi of Onitsha has exemplified these responsibilities. Since ascending the throne, he has become known not only as a traditional ruler, but also as an intellectual administrator and statesman. His contributions have extended beyond traditional affairs into business, education, governance, and community development. Many speakers at the event praised his ability to balance traditional values with modern realities. They noted that under his leadership, the Onitsha kingdom has remained influential while embracing developments and progress. When it was his turn to speak, the Obi of Onitsha reflected on his long relationship with former President Obasanjo. He recalled several occasions where he hosted the former president during his years in office and spoke warmly about their enduring friendship. The monarch also expressed deep appreciation to all those who traveled from different parts of the country to celebrate with him. He thanked political leaders, traditional rulers, business executives, family members, friends, and well-wishers for their support and goodwill. As the celebration continued, many guests described the event as more than a birthday gathering. They viewed it as a celebration of legacy. At 85 years old, the Obi of Onitsha represents a generation of leaders whose experiences span some of the most important chapters in Nigerian's history. His life story reflects resilience, service, leadership, and commitment to community. In a period when many Nigerians express concerns about division and polarization, the sight of leaders from different backgrounds coming together to honor a respected traditional ruler was viewed by many as a refreshing reminder of what unity can look like. Social media users reacted positively to images from the event, with many praising the atmosphere of mutual respect and admiration among the guests. Others described the gathering as a meeting of experience, influence, and wisdom. As Nigeria continues to navigate political, economic, and social challenges, moments like these serve as reminders of the enduring value of leadership rooted in service, dignity, and community. For the Obi of Onitsha, the celebration marked not only another year of life, but also recognition of a remarkable legacy that continues to inspire generations. From political leaders to traditional rulers, from business executives to ordinary citizens, the message from the celebration was clear. The Obi of Onitsha remains one of Nigeria's most respected and influential traditional leaders. As he celebrates 85 years, many Nigerians are wishing him continued health, peace, and wisdom in the years ahead. What are your thoughts on this historic gathering? Share your views in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this report, please like, share, and subscribe. Turn on notifications so you never miss our latest updates on Nigerian politics, leadership, culture, and national affairs. I'm Chidera Esum. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next report. Bye for now.